We will start by removing the side panel. You can just pull down the lower dash with your hand. If you have trouble, you can loosen the clips with a pry tool. Remove this Phillips head screw. Start the vehicle so we could turn the steering wheel to expose the two screws we will need to remove. Using your pry tool, separate the two halves of the steering column cover. Disconnect the vehicle's connector and connect the T-harness in line. Push the connector's tab to disconnect. Now we will head to the lower dash which we pulled down previously. Now we have the BCM exposed, which we will be connecting two T-harnesses to. There are three connectors in a column. We will be connecting to number 2 and number 3. Number 3 is behind the metal brace. Connect the T-harnesses in line with the vehicle's connectors. Disconnect the vehicle's connectors by pushing on the tab. Connect the T-harness to the BCM. Connect the BCM's connectors to the T-harness. Connect the hybrid T-harness over here to the left of the BCM. You may find it easier to connect this T-harness before the BCM T-harnesses. Press on the tab to release the vehicle's connector. Connect the T-harness to the vehicle. Connect the T-harness to the vehicle's connector. Connect the black connector to the main T-harness.